Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative Crafty Bird Girl with ASL and voice. Today we're going to make simple easy steps for summer themes of coffee station decoration. So let's get started. What I did is I took a napkin of lemon and watermelon. I got it from the dollar store. So what I did is I put it on here with wood and then a little stand, and I made it look like a tray. And now we're going to take this and glue for the bottom. Now we're going to make a coaster. To boost for a drink. And it's a design of a watermelon. I cut it, I trace it, make a square. And I use podge and I glue it on the wood. So I hope you like this video. If you're new, welcome. And thanks for coming in. So it's very easy, very simple. All you have to do is cut it, make a circle, made out of a napkin, have a picture of a lemon, and a stand and wood. And some coasters for the drinks with watermelon. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up. It will help me grow my channel. And thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you next time for another fun craft. Bye, everybody.